Nani, can you tell me a story today?
Of course, my child. Today I'll tell you a story that teaches a very important lesson.
Long ago, in a beautiful green forest, lived a group of tiny ants. They were very small.
Friends, let's work together. If we help one another, no task is too big.
Yes!
Look at these tiny ants. What can you all do together?
Oh no! Our home!
Do not be afraid. Remember, unity is our strength. Follow me!
Stop! What is happening?
I'm sorry, little friends. I laughed at you, but now I understand.
Together, you are very powerful.
Nani,
Even small ants can defeat a big elephant when they are together.
Yes, my child. When we stay united and help one another, we become strong.
Unity is power.
I understand, Nani. I will always stay united and help others.